Hello Anchita. So I think the reference is fine. There's no issue with that. Now you're going in the right direction, but there are certain things that I want you to focus on when you are doing your next assignment. First is covering up the space. So you used a big sheet here, but then there are lots of empty space and the still life is very small. We could have utilized this space, make this bigger, let the book be a little cropped here. That is completely fine, but you can actually expand the entire drawing of the still life. What happens is when you have bigger drawing, you have more space to work upon. You can add details. You can look at some of the on-campus students work, like let's see Pragati's work. You can see they try to cover the entire sheet, and because their drawing is bigger, so they can add numerous details like these fine lines, small details, and the more details you add, the better it looks. So try drawing bigger. So drawing is okay for this assignment, but it could be a bit bigger. Secondly, let's talk about this roll here. What's happening? The light is coming from here and creating form shadow around this area. I don't see any hard edges of the form shadow. Form shadow, or the shadow which is created on the object, will hardly have any hard edges, especially when the object is curvy in nature, like here, like here. But then, because the book has hard edges, you can find some darker values at few places, but mostly this paper or cloth, whatever it is, so you can see the form shadow, and it is a bit hard from here, but then it's very soft as it's moving up. This value is not there. This is light in nature, not the lightest, but it is light, so it is very close to the light. You need to merge things. You need to show the curveness. You need to preserve the light area. This spot here, you need to preserve the light area. And I think the main issue here is, I think you should just go buy a small steady lamp with a warm light source and try to arrange your own objects, your own still life. Don't try to work with too many objects at a time. Just arrange few, maybe just 3 objects or 2 objects. Try to make those objects perfect instead of trying to do a lot in one still life. Take it slowly. For the final exams, we'll be doing only 3 objects in this still life. So, but then they need to be perfect. So I would suggest from next class, use a lamp, a steady lamp with a bulb or yellow light. Do place your own still life, objects that you are aware of, that like when you arrange still life or when you pick objects for still life, you know that you need to tackle with metal objects or what kind of shape, height, etc. So here, I think there is no issue with you with understanding of values and drawing. The issue is the implementation part, and I think the major issue is the reference. The reference was good, uh, but you the drawing is too small, so I think it didn't left much space for you to work upon. So try to arrange your own life so that you have control of unwanted objects. You don't want certain objects, you want certain kind of fold. You can actually totally uh, have control over your drawing. You can totally have control over what you want to paint or draw. So